Okay, so this is a little boy that I found today. What's that? I don't know what his name is. But he's really cute. Aren't you? Aren't you, boy? Just a cute boy. Huh? Damn a cute boy. Found him on the road. He's been very well taken care of. I don't know who he belongs to, but he's got a really good disposition. Hey, hey, buddy. What you doing? Hi. What is it? I'm tired now, huh? So I've been on the road for a long time. Yeah. Oh, you gonna go see Peace? He's been very well taken care of. He's been fixed. I don't know who he belongs to, but he's really sweet. My baby. Hi. Say hello with you. Hi. Hi. So I found myself a spot, and now I'm happy. Yay. Okay. Here we go. Alright, boy. Hey. Hey. What you doing? He's so pretty. Good boy. Good boy.